Four-way intersection. T intersection. Roundabout. No U-turn. No left turn. No right turn. No parking. Sharp left turn. Sharp right turn. Left curve ahead. Right curve ahead. Winding road. Road narrows. Narrow bridge. Slippery when wet ahead. Dip. Stop sign. Speed limit. Yield sign. Do not enter. Wrong way. Railroad crossing ahead. School zone speed limit. Pedestrians crossing. Interstate. U.S. route. Two-way traffic. Left or right double arrow or two-direction large arrow sign. Keep right. Dead end. Divided highway begins. Divided highway ends. Merging traffic from left. Merging traffic from right. Right turn only. Left turn only. Straight only. U-turn. Flagger ahead. Workers on the road. Detour. Right lane ends. Merge left. Left lane ends. Merge right. Yield sign ahead. Stop sign ahead. Low clearance. Low ground clearance. Farm vehicle. Livestock. Deer crossing. School bus stop ahead. Fire station. Emergency stopping only. Gas station. Food dining. Lodging. Rest area. Hospital. EV charging. Angled side road. Downgrade. Bike lane ahead. Bike crossing. Bike full lane. No passing zone. Do not pass. HOV lane. Disabled parking. School zone. Advisory speed limit. Sharp curve arrows. Gradual curve. Added left lane. Divided highway median. Keep right. Divided highway median. Keep left. Soft shoulder. Exit only lane. Exit ramp speed. Lane divider or double arrow sign. Two-way left only. Begin right turn lane. Yield to bike sign. Intersection lane control. Four-way. Truck escape ramp. Truck rollover warning. Milepost marker. Curve with side road from right. Divided highway crossing, T intersection. Exit ramp advisory. That's the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out our new updates. Stay safe and see you in the next video.